Welcome to Reality's Platinum program. This video is designed to explain how to interpret the information found under the performance icon. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm using an older Chicago database, but as a member, your program will have an up-to-date database that you required for your MLS. Now, let's take a look at performance. We'll click on the very first item in the drop-down menu, Combined Ends by the Numbers. We can see that in Chicago, there are 23,817 agents results showing here. Now, there may well be 25,000 agents in Chicago, but this would tell us that only 23,817 of them participated in a transaction in the last 12 months. Our time frame menu is always set at 12 months until you choose to change it. So, of the 23,817 agents in Chicago, we can see that 4,833, or 20.29% of them, have done one transaction in the last 12 months. Another 3,131 agents, or 13.15%, for a cumulative total of 33.44% of the agents are doing less than 2 transactions in a year. So if you set your sights on being number 1 or in the top 1% of all agents in Chicago, what would that take? We can scroll down to right about here, the 1.01% mark, showing you 77 units is what it would take to say you're in the top 1% of agents in Chicago. Now, if you work in another city or community, you can filter down first before looking at the performance information, and the chart will change accordingly. So let's filter by a city. Go to your filter by icon, click on the city list, and in this case, we'll choose Bartlett. Add it to your search, and you can see it's in your search criteria box, and the chart has changed accordingly. We can now see there are 706 agents results showing in this chart. Of the 706 agents, 522 of them, or 73% of all the agents in Bartlett, are doing only one transaction. Little easier to get to the top 1%. 10 units in the city of Bartlett would give you bragging rights to say, I'm in the top 1% of agents. Now, we can look back at the performance icon, Combined Ends by the dollars. This will now show you that in Bartlett, 60% of the agents had dollar value sales of only $300,000. So if you did $3 million in Bartlett, you're in the top 1% of agents in the city of Bartlett, Illinois. Keep in mind that help files are available in every drop-down menu by clicking on the little blue and white question marks, or clicking on the little blue and white eye icon will also give you more information about that item and how to use it. When you're finished, clear your search, click on your Reality logo, and you're back at the beginning of your program.